What's up, YouTube? I'm here with the new project truck right here in front of me. Here it is. 2006 5.9 3500 dually Cummins 6-speed. Now, needs work in progress. Needs some TLC. Needs some elbow grease there. Nothing special, just a 6-speed there. A little dark, as you can tell. But here's what needs work. Guy before me said it blew a head gasket, blew between 5 and 6. Messed up the head. The head's not salvageable. The block needs machined. Eat into the surface a little bit. So yeah, this is how I got it, and we're gonna get her running again. So here we go.